Hey, today I'll show you how to save your project in Photoshop. Maybe you want to work later on it, or maybe you want to give it to a colleague to continue the work, whatever. As you can see, I have here a project with many layers. They can be edited and I can move anything which I want. If I want to save this project, I will have to go in the top left corner to File, then select Save As. From here, I forgot telling you something at this step, and I noticed that just when editing, so when you are at that menu, make sure at Save As type you select Photoshop instead of the others. So yeah, this is what I forgot to mention. Make sure Photoshop is selected. Now select where you want this project to be saved. Let's name it Test and select Desktop. Press on Save. Now if I will go on Desktop, and here is the project which I saved. Now let's see if I can continue the work from that project. I will enter Photoshop and close it totally. And let's open this project, right click on it and open with Photoshop. And let's wait just a second. I have an SSD, it will start up extremely easily, and I have the project from where I started. I can move projects, I can re-edit the text, so it was completely saved. You also have a shortcut to do the same thing. If you press Ctrl Shift and S, it will ask you to save the project. Let's name it Test1, save it on desktop and press on Save. Again, I will close Photoshop, and this is the second PDF which I saved. Let's do the same thing, open with and Photoshop, and in just a second now I will have Photoshop boot up, and yeah, I have the second PDF file which I saved regarding my project. And from now on, if you want to do some changes and you want to quick save your project, you just have to press Ctrl and S and just look at my cursor. When I will press on it, it will change and it will mean my project just saved. And if I press Ctrl and S, I just can press on X, and the next time I will open the PDF, I will continue the work from where I saved. So Ctrl and S is just a quick save of the current PDF which you created. So this was the tutorial how to save a project, a file, a photo in Photoshop. I hope you have a great day from wherever you're watching right now.